If your room turns into an oven during summer or freezing cold during winter, but you don't want to spend thousands on a traditional air conditioner installation, this review might save you a lot of money and frustration. This is the EpiCooler, one of the most talked about portable AC units right now. And before I explain how it works, I need to give you a quick warning. Because EpiCooler has been getting extremely popular online recently, some fake websites are selling imitation versions that don't offer the same performance or warranty. So if you decide to try it, make sure you only use the official website linked below in the description. That's the only place where you can get the original product safely and avoid scams. So what exactly is the EpiCooler? It's a portable dual-mode air conditioning system designed to cool your room during hot weather and warm it during colder days without complicated installation. According to the official product information, it works as both a cooling and heating unit in one compact device while using much less energy than traditional systems. And honestly, I think the reason this product is getting so much attention is because a lot of people are tired of dealing with expensive AC installations, high electricity bills, noisy units, and rental restrictions that stop them from installing permanent systems. With the EpiCooler, the whole idea is simplicity. You basically plug it into a power outlet, choose one of the 6 operating modes using the touchscreen or remote control, and that's it. No tools, no electricians, no complicated setup. One thing that stands out is that it's designed to work year-round. It can cool temperatures down to around 16 degrees Celsius and also provide heating up to 45 degrees, depending on the mode you choose. The product also focuses heavily on energy efficiency. Instead of running a huge central air system just to cool or heat one room, this unit is designed to target the area you're actually using. That's one reason many people mention lower electricity costs in the reviews. Another thing people seem to love is how quiet it is. According to customer feedback, many users say they can sleep comfortably through the night without loud fan noise constantly running in the background. And because it's portable, you can move it between rooms depending on where you need it most. That's especially useful for apartments, rentals, home offices, or bedrooms where installing a traditional AC system just isn't practical. Now, obviously, let's keep expectations realistic. The EpiCooler is not meant to replace massive industrial cooling systems for huge homes, but for personal spaces, bedrooms, apartments, offices, and everyday comfort, it seems to solve a very real problem in a much simpler and more affordable way. The company also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives people a chance to test it themselves with less risk. So if you've been searching for EpiCooler reviews, wondering if EpiCooler actually works, or looking for a portable air conditioner that cools and heats without installation headaches, this is definitely something worth checking out. And again, if you want the original EpiCooler with the current discount and official warranty, the verified official website is linked right below in the description.